Today we have another car key, and this one has clearly seen better days. We've been using it for a long time, and I just found it randomly in one of the drawers, and I thought, why not fix it for a change? So the buttons, I don't know if they work. Let's see what's going on inside. If we take this cover off, here we have two screws.
See what's going on.
It doesn't have a battery inside it. Okay, let me see if I have a battery. This is the same one. CR 2016, yes. Let's see if it gives us any type of signal. Okay, to see if the sub-gigahertz signal is being transmitted, I'm going to use my flipper 0 to see whether or not a signal is transmitted. That will just be a minimally invasive test, just to see how things are going. So this is the flipper 0. I'm going to go to sub-gigahertz, and I'm going to go to frequency analyzer. Then I'm going to put the battery in, and I think I'll put the top cover back on so that it's a bit secure. Okay, let's see if we have anything. Okay, it's transmitting. Okay, that's really good. Perfect. Lovely. So we know the remote is actually working. Now put the battery aside, and we can just change the housing. We're going to need for some brute force. There we go. Okay. So that's the chip. But wait, I think these pads, something is wrong here. Doesn't look like they're even soldered. Now we'll put it under the microscope. Let's take a look at what's going on. Maybe we just need to make it a bit better. So that's the first pin, and it's not even attached to the board. It's wobbling. And we have another pin over here that's also not attached to the board. So let's take care of those two real quick. We can remove this. Okay. Let's add some solder right over there so that we have a secure connection. It looks like the last time someone worked on it, they forgot to solder it back on. So let's make that a bit better. I need to change, we'll get some flux. Let's move this piece of plastic to the side. Let's add some flux over here. Okay, just like that. question too. Inside the key fob, you have this little chip. And this chip has to be, it's like a trans receiver module, I think. Let's find out what the exact name is so that we can know why it's very important. I looked it up before, but I forgot what its name is. But it has to do something with the transmission and reception of the radio frequency, of the sub-gigahertz frequency. So what do we have? PCF 79797330S, I think. Nope. 0 PCF Philips integrated circuit. Okay, we know that. But what is it and what does it do? So this is a module that is responsible for doesn't say exactly. Let's look at another one. This is what this is on my phone. Let's look at the data sheet. Should give us something. Okay, this is a transponder immobilizer for the remote. So that definitely has to go to the new remote. And you can see how the buttons are all messed up. So let's take this one out, this old one out, right there. I'm gonna show you the desk view again. We actually have the new housing over here. We're going to cut the key later, but the important part is getting the circuit board back into this one. So let's see what we have. Okay, so we have a new cover. Oh, very nice. New screws, new soft button to replace this one. That's lovely. First, let us get that IC back inside. Should go in like this, I'm assuming. Yep. And then this is the new one. So that probably goes in just like this. Okay. This is the circuit board. Which will go in just like that. Lovely. And our battery. There we go, that should be done. The new back. Okay. Let us put in our screws. Okay. Put the cover on. We should be ready to go. Buttons are a bit hard. Let's see if it's working. Sub-gigahertz. Frequency analyzer. Okay, that's working. That's working. But the lock button isn't. And the light over here is not turning on. So there's definitely some sort of issue on the circuit.